Welcome back. Southwest monsoon is arriving soon. In Goa, monsoon is expected in first week of June. It has already advanced in Bay of Bengal. Monsoon will arrive in Kerala by 1st of June. The rainfall will be normal this year.
See, southwest monsoon this year, actually this sets over Andaman Sea around 20th. So on today 23rd of May, this monsoon has been advanced over Andaman Sea and some parts of Bay of Bengal. So now today means it is already advanced, so it will move further. So we can, as IMD has forecasted that this monsoon may arrive over Kerala around 1st of June. So we are expecting this monsoon in the normal dates. So at present there is no delay in monsoon. So when it sets over Kerala, so it takes around 4 to 5 days. So depending upon the situation of the monsoon currents, sometimes it takes 2 to 3 days only, sometimes it delays. So normally it takes 5 to 6 days. So we can expect within the normal dates at present.
Mostly the duration of monsoon in India varies from about 4 months to 5 months, starting from June to September or October. The year-to-year variation in the Indian monsoon rainfall is primarily attributed to its association with the sea surface temperature. This year the monsoon in Goa would arrive by the first week of June. IMD informed that the rainfall in Goa would be normal. A video journalist in Panji, Omkar Farari, with Belen DeCosta.
Aggrieved locals of Chinchini get out local electricity linesmen on Monday. The locals face a lot of hardships to convey power failures to electricity department. The telephone connection of electricity department has been disconnected for past 2 months for non-payment of dues.
We have gathered here today to put forward our grievances regarding the phone connection of this electricity department. Now for the past 2 months, this phone of theirs has been disconnected because of non-payment of bills. And for the past 2 months, we are facing difficulties. They are saying there are no funds to pay the bills. At least, okay, phone is not working. At least when we come here, someone should be here to attend our complaints. Then in the night times, when we complain in the night times, they don't write down the complaints. So the JE doesn't come to know what are the problems of the people. Every 3 days in a week, 1 line or 2 lines is cut off every night at around 7:30, from 7:30 to 9. At least 3 days a week. And this has been going on for the past 2 years now. The problem has not been solved as yet. See, now there are wires on top, main line. There are 2 wires always. One is the neutral line and one is the guard line. Okay, fine. That मध्ये लेसिंग म्हणून असतं. लेसिंग कितें केन्ना वायर पड म्हणटा झाड पडून ते वायर काट जावपा जाय, लायन काट जावपा जाय ती. हेंगे लेसिंगू ना मध्ये. केन्ना पावसान केन्ना झाड पड म्हणटा वायर पडलो लोकांचे पडलो. कांय सेफ्टी ना. तुमगे फोन कितें आसा ना?
बिल पे करना
बिल तुमगे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंटान बिल फारीक केलें.
बिल पे करना पडटा पयलीं बंद दिसन कमिंग जातालें मागीर इनकमिंग आतां तीन बंद उडयलें.
Our reporter from Madgaon, Savio Dias.
Great chance for Goan youth as 10 youngsters would get the opportunity to take part in Youth Cultural Exchange Program. The program will deal with customs, living, culture, history of Maharashtra and Karnataka. It will begin from 23rd to 30th June.
We have arranged a youth exchange program for young people in the age group of 18 to 30 years who have distinguished themselves in some field of activity, like you see, studies or in art or in music or in sports. In short, the future leaders who must know people across the border and contribute for greater friendship, understanding, cooperation. And this will be very important for national unity, harmony.
Palero also assured that there will be an exchange program in Goa in November for youth from neighboring states. Eduardo, along with Advocate Bernard D'Souza, are all set to write a history on Goan migration.
I have myself, along with Advocate Bernard D'Souza and some others, visited those neighboring areas. In here, in some areas of in Maharashtra and Karnataka, in the district, basically district of Kolhapur and in Belgaum and these areas, towns and villages there, and met lots of people. As a result, I was so impressed that we have decided that we shall try to write the history of the Goans who left Goa in those centuries, 3-4 centuries ago, and you see how they left, why they left, what is the progress they have made. Because we feel that they are our brothers, their roots are the same as ours. Most of them whom I have met are Christians. Every year they come walking for 3-4 days, walking to attend the feast of St. Francis Xavier, Old Goa. But when they arrive there, they don't find any necessary facilities. So this matter is being taken up with the church authorities, which is their primary responsibility, and also equal responsibilities of the state government and the union government.
A video journalist Omkar Falari with Sammy Gonsalves. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.